Rural transit customers have certain expectations of transit systems. None is more important than riding clean and secure vehicles, operated by safe, courteous drivers.
Keeping a good attitude is really critical, because no matter what kind of passenger we're hauling, because we're in the public relations business, really. Our passengers ride with us if they like the service, if they like the fact that we're on time, if they like our attitude, if all of that plays into it.
One of the most important elements of passenger safety is the safe loading and unloading of both ambulatory and non-ambulatory passengers. Ambulatory passengers are those that board the vehicle on foot. To properly load ambulatory passengers, be sure to pull the vehicle 6 to 8 inches away from the curb so that the door is roughly even with the bus stop sign. Also, be sure to avoid ice or other safety obstructions.
The gutter is full of pure ice, basically, after a couple of days of melting. So you want to pull the bus up beyond so that they don't have to walk through that ice to get to you. Sometimes we even will pull up actually on the sidewalk a little bit just to get rid of that ice hazard.
When preparing to load passengers who use wheelchairs or other mobility equipment, stop the vehicle on level ground with room for the platform to deploy. Put the vehicle in park, set the brake, and turn on the four-way flashers. Help the passenger onto the lift platform. If the lift has handles, ask the passenger to hold them. Or if no handles are present, ask the passenger to place their hands in their lap. Remember to hold on to the wheelchair or mobility device while raising and lowering the lift.
We just take all the precautions we possibly can to make sure that the wheelchair is secure to the platform, that the flaps are folded up on either side of the platform or we won't raise the lift, and that the bus is secure.
Once the passenger has safely boarded the bus, the wheelchair must be safely secured for travel. All wheelchairs must be secured with the 4-point tie-downs, with 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. Attach the front straps as high on the chair as possible, but no higher than the armrest. Ideally, the straps should connect to the floor at a 45-degree angle, ensuring lateral stability. Rear tie-down should connect to the floor in line with the rear wheels. Straps should never be bent around a wheel or other part of the chair, and should never be attached to a wheel or any removable parts of the chair. Next, the passenger must be secured using the lap belt and shoulder harness provided as part of the vehicle's securement system. Be sure to follow all manufacturers' recommendations. Once secured, the chair should move no more than 2 inches in any direction.
With someone that's not ambulatory, we not only have to assist them getting on board, but we have to monitor them while they're riding.
When unloading passengers, be sure to follow the same procedures. Your passengers depend on you to deliver them to their destination safely. Above all, remember the #1 rule regarding passengers.
The passengers first. It may take a little extra time to get them boarded on the bus and get them secured, but it's worth it. They're dependent on us to do our job and us to be a professional. They're expecting us to get them where they need to go just like anybody else.